You hear Eddie Bauer and your brain probably flashes to rugged jackets, crisp button-downs, maybe a few nostalgic road trips. But now, the name's been stitched onto something a whole lot cooler. Meet the Thor Eddie Bauer, a lineup of Class B and Class C motorhomes built by Thor exclusively for Camping World. Think iconic outdoor style colliding with serious road power and full scent comfort. Let's tear this thing open, starting with Class B, moving into Class C, then touching on what it's made of and what it can pull. So, as I said, let's start with the Class Bs. And first things first, you've got choices. Diesel Mercedes-Benz Sprinter or gas Ram ProMaster. You get to pick your option. You have different chassis, but you get the same aggressive Eddie Bauer styling, and yes, floor plan options to match your vibe. In the cockpit, you'll find swivel seats that make it easy to go from driver to dinner guest without even standing up. A massive touchscreen dash gives you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a crisp backup monitor. You've got driver assist tech like lane keep, blind spot monitoring, and traffic sign assist. Heated remote mirrors? Check. Windshield privacy screen? Yep, but save that for after the engine's off and you're posted up for the night. Slide inside and it feels more like a mobile studio apartment than a van. Residential style floors, soft vinyl ceiling, and blackout zipper shades set the mood when it's time to shut the world out. You've got cross breeze windows, smart TVs, and an 11,000 BTU roof AC that keeps things chill without sounding like a jet engine. Sleep setups vary: beds, pullouts, expanding sleeper sofas, but every model has two things: space for two to crash and clever storage. That includes overhead cabinets, soft closed drawers, and locking underbed compartments for the stuff you don't want rattling around. The kitchen punches way above its weight. 2-burner or portable cooktops, microwave, stainless steel sink with a cover, and a 12-volt fridge that's low-key perfect for road snacks and cold beer. Pressed countertops rounded out with that clean, finished look. Bathrooms? Oh yeah, you've got one. This isn't just a hold it till the next truck stop situation. A full wet bath gives you a cassette toilet, power vent, woven bath mat, and in rear bath models, even a wardrobe closet. Small space, but big function. Outside, the Class B rocks a Thule lateral arm awning, outdoor shower, LP Quick Connect, 30-amp solar charger, and aluminum wheels that say, yes, I did upgrade. Thanks for noticing. And when you're ready to level up, the Thor Eddie Bauer Class C comes built on a Ford or Chevy chassis depending on the length, or the Ford Transit if you want Class C style with a Class B feel. Either way, this isn't your grandma's motorhome. Behind the wheel, you're working with a 7-inch touchscreen radio, Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Sirius XM readiness. It's tech-packed but intuitive with map lights, cup holders, and heated mirrors for those late-night arrivals. And the windshield privacy curtain is perfect when you want pitch-black silence. Now inside, you're greeted with 80 to 84 inches of headroom and enough space to stretch out and actually live. The residential vinyl flooring laughs in the face of muddy boots, while the Eddie Bauer exclusive furniture styling adds a little rugged luxury to the mix. Dinette seating comes with dual child safety tethers in most models, family friendly without being soft. If you take a look up, you'll spot the cab over bunk complete with a telescoping ladder, cup holders, and a ceiling vent. Privacy comes via premium roller shades, and yes, there's a smart TV up there, 32-inch standard, 40-inch in some of the bigger models. Some models even throw in bedroom TV prep just in case you like falling asleep to static or true crime documentaries. The kitchen in every Eddie Bauer Class C isn't just functional, it's ready to throw down. Recessed cooktops, 2 or 3 burners that are going to be glass covered, a microwave or convection microwave with air fryer, and a 12-volt fridge with auto gen start because warm groceries are a crime. Storage is going to be legit too, with hidden hinge cabinets, soft closed drawers, and thoughtful details like sink covers, pop-up outlets, and even wastebasket cubbies in some models. The pressed laminate countertops keep the aesthetic clean, and the stainless steel undermount sink is just icing on the cake. At the end of the day, the Eddie Bauer bedroom is where you crash, recover, and try to forget you spent half a day stuck behind a fifth wheel going 45 in the fast lane. You'll get a queen bed, full bed, or convertible twins to king depending on your model. In smaller layouts, even a U-dinette converts to a king. Not bad for a breakfast nook. Storage is solid with wardrobe closets, overhead space, and plenty of room for gear and gadgets. A CPAP-ready 12-volt outlet is built in, and for those of us who solve Wordle puzzles at 2 a.m., the USB charging stations have your back. In the bathroom, you'll get a residential-style sink, an enclosed shower with skylight, built-in shelving, and a real curtain, not those clingy prison-style vinyl sheets. Toss in a tankless water heater, ceiling vent fan, and even a robe hook, and you've got everything you need to do your thing. Outside, the Eddie Bauer Class C comes ready to work. You have rotocast storage compartments, a mega storage bay, deadbolt-equipped entry door, and a power patio awning with LED lighting that makes your site glow. Slide-outs? They come with awning toppers, so you're not spending your vacation sweeping your slide roof. You'll find bike racks, rear ladder prep, black-framed windows, and a 4,000-watt generator. You'll also find solar prep, battery disconnect, and in select models, a 100-watt solar panel with controller and expandable port because you're probably bringing all the toys. Cooking outside? Absolutely. There's an LP connection waiting for your griddle because bacon should never be cooked indoors when you're camping. Construction is serious here. We're talking welded tubular aluminum roof and wall cages, vacuum bond laminated floor, walls, and roof with block foam insulation, and one-piece fiberglass front and rear caps. Add a premium domed roof membrane, and this thing is built to take on heat, rain, and the occasional low-hanging tree branch. What about towing, though? What can it haul? Well, let's break it down. For the Ford or Chevy Class C chassis, you're looking at an 8,000-pound hitch. The Class B and Transit options, it's going to be rated for 5,000 pounds. But either way, a 7-pin connector is standard, so you're lighting up your trailer brakes and doing it right. Want to haul a car like a Camry or maybe an Escape? Yeah, it's not a problem. Eyeing a motorcycle trailer or even something a little more ambitious. Just make sure you factor in trailer weight and cargo and you will be all set. If you're unsure though, you can always head to Camping World, have them run the numbers, and maybe take one of these rigs for a spin while you're at it. Whether you're gunning for freedom in a sleek, stealthy Class B, or looking to bring the whole crew in a spacious Class C, the Thor Eddie Bauer line delivers the tools, style, and grit to make every mile count. This isn't just about getting from A to B, it's about building stories between the lines on the map. Thanks for watching, I'm Ian Baker, and until next time, we'll see ya.